In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create forms in Zoho Creator. Start by opening Zoho Creator in your web browser and landing on the home page. From here, head to the Applications section. This is your hub for everything you've built so far and where you'll create something new. It keeps your work organized and makes it easy to jump back into projects later. Click Create New Application. You'll see options to use templates, which can be helpful for common scenarios. But for this walkthrough, we'll build from scratch. That way you'll learn how each part works and can tailor it to your exact needs. Give your application a clear descriptive name and click Create. You are now in the application editor, which is where the form building happens. A good name helps teammates recognize the app's purpose at a glance and keeps your workspace tidy. On the left sidebar, you'll see a library of fields. Drag and drop the ones you need onto the form canvas. Text inputs for names or titles. Numbers for quantities. Drop-downs for controlled choices. And date pickers for scheduling or timelines. Choose field types that match the data you plan to collect so you get clean, structured information right from the start. Next, configure each field. Click a field to open its settings. Adjust the label so it's clear. Add placeholder text to guide users, and mark fields as required when they're essential. Set validation rules to keep data accurate, for example. Limit number ranges. Define character limits or enforce formats where needed. Clear helper text can reduce mistakes and save time later. Arrange your layout for an easy logical flow. Drag fields to reorder them, align related inputs, side by side when appropriate. And keep the most important questions near the top. Group similar topics together and avoid long cluttered sections. A well-organized form feels faster and more trustworthy to complete. Use the preview button to experience the form like a user. Enter sample data, try edge cases, and make sure required fields and validation messages behave as expected. If something feels confusing or out of place, return to the editor and adjust. When you are satisfied, save your work to make the form live and ready for data collection. You can come back and edit anytime, and your updates will carry forward without losing what you've built. That's it. Thanks for watching.